Localised restrictions affecting millions of people in northern England couldn't have come at a worse time for the large Muslim population. They came into effect on the eve of Eid al-Adha, one of Islam's holiest dates.
I had phone call all night. Oh, is there a lockdown? Can we come for prayer? Or we can't come for prayer? You know, what's going on? Is there another lockdown? That really confused people, that message.
Faith leaders say the community feels let down, having done everything possible to mitigate the spread of the virus.
There is kind of confusion and I wouldn't say hate, but I would say that the people are shocked with that kind of immediate action that's taken place.
The Prime Minister has warned of the need to act fast in the face of rising infection rates, a possible second wave. He said it was time to put the brakes on a return to normality.
Our assessment is that we should now squeeze that brake pedal in order to keep the virus under control. I know that the steps that we're taking will be a real blow to many people, to everyone, obviously, whose wedding plans have been disrupted or who cannot now celebrate Eid in the way that they would wish. And I'm really, really sorry about that, but we simply cannot take the risk.
The Deputy Leader of Oldham Council, one of the areas affected, says the measures are necessary, even if their introduction was mishandled.
The muddled messages from national government are just not helpful at all. They've created a lot of anxiety, and in the way that they've been delivered, what it has done is create division in our communities, and that is something that I really don't appreciate.
The opposition says it's a new low in government communications during this crisis, though there's no denying that infection rates are on the rise. But among the questions the Muslim community here has is why private households are a problem, while drinking in pubs and bars is not.
I think if Eid was in the pub, it'd be fine. I think that's really the message that it sends. I think if Eid was on the seaside, it would be fine. And I think what we need to really do is address the question, why is everyone feeling angry? And it's not some people in the community, it's everyone. And everyone feels that it's been targeted at them.
This was the scene during Friday's heatwave on the English south coast. Some call it prejudice, others pass it off as incompetence. But it does seem that in parts of the country, COVID-19 and the government's handling of the crisis is opening up bitter community divides. Jonah, Al Jazeera, Oldham, in the north of England.